What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this poster. There are going to be a lot of things you will learn here, so make sure you stick around till the end. And if you are new here, we make videos like this, so make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really motivates me to do more of this, and make sure you like it as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now we create our document, go to file, new, and make sure you check these settings. Okay, now hit the create and you have your canvas. So what we're going to do is that we're going to create our background. Go to adjustment layer, select gradient, and double click on this one. Okay, so select this small box to select a color. Okay, we're going to take it from our swatch, and let me show you the hex code. You can copy that, hit OK, and let's select our second color. Okay, we're going to take it from the swatch as well, so just select this, and I'm going to make sure that the opacity is 100 like that. Okay, then we just check everything concerning the opacity for the two. Now make sure you have the scale to be 120. all right, the scale to be 120, and maintain everything. So what we're going to do next is, but before that, if you don't have your swatch, it's very simple. Okay, you can just come to Windows and select swatch, and you have it. Just help you to have the colors you are using in your design, and I found it helpful. That's why I'm using it. So the first thing is we are going to bring this image. Okay, images are in the description, all the files, you can just download and follow along. So I'm going to change the blend mode to multiply, and I'm going to max this image. Right, so I'll select my brush tool, and I'm going to maintain the flow 82. Right, make sure your brush is soft round, and soft round means hardness is 0. Okay, just paint black on the part I'm painting to remove it. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring in the first image. Okay, so I'll just convert it to rasterize it first, and come to my property panel and select remove background. Now we use this technique when the image is very simple, so note that. Okay, I'll show you something as you go on so that you understand what I'm trying to say, so stick around and let's go. So I'm just going to adjust this, okay, and add some filter here. So camera raw filter, I'm just going to increase the quality a little bit. So I'll just type 10 for the clarity and come to the sharpening. Okay, so I'm going to type 20 and hit OK. So that's good for me. Now I'm just going to max it. Okay, the picture. Okay, max it and select my brush tool like that. Now painting black, I'm just going to fade. My flow is not 100% because I don't want sharp edges. I just want it to blend with the background, so make sure you do that. Okay, turn the flow down. All right, so this is our second image. We are going to go through the same process, rasterize it, and just remove it. Okay, and we are using this technique because the image is very simple, like I said, and I will show you how you can deal with complex image as well. So let's go. Now I'm just adjusting it and I'm positioning it here. All right, but I would also like to see you doing different thing with this tutorial after you're done watching it. Okay, so I'm just going to hold Alt or Option and drag the effect on this one. Okay, so the smart effect or the smart filter is what we've transferred from this picture to the other picture. I don't want to go through the same process, I just wanted that. Okay, so let's add some vibrance to that picture. Now hold Alt and just click between the lines, okay, of the two layers, and it will just clip max it. Okay, So just shift the vibrance to 80 and you are good to go. Okay, so you mark things out and also paint black. Okay, we want it to fade. Okay, so we want it to fade like that, and we are doing good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to bring this image. Okay, now this image looks kind of complex, so let's try the normal way. Rasterize it and come to property panel and select remove background, and let's see what it gives us. Okay, it kind of do a good job, but I want the ball. Okay, so I mean this technique won't help, so we have to hit Ctrl Y to undo it and come and select object selection tool. Okay, and this can help us select the object in the image. Okay, so it has detected this as an object. We just click okay to select it. Now make sure you are adding to selection. Okay, so I'll click the ball and it will select the ball as well. Now I'll max it, and there we go, we have the player in the ball. Okay, so make sure whenever you're having a complex picture, use that tool. It really helps. Okay, now we are going to convert it to small objects, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a shape. Okay, and I'm doing this because I don't like the color of the picture, so I wanted to have some vibe of the colors we are using. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'll click max it and just reduce the opacity down. So this is another way you can blend your image to your background. Okay, so make sure you take note. Now this is before and after. Okay, you can't really see it, but it makes a big difference. Okay, so I think we are doing good. What I will do next is that I'm going to bring this back, okay, this image, and I'm going to stretch it. Okay, now the idea is I want the ball to be to be on the line. So that's why I chose that this image. So I'm just going to bring it down to this place and I'm going to max it. Okay, so use your brush tool and just paint the top. Okay, paint black to remove everything so that we can have those ones on top of it. Okay, so I'm just removing it like that. Okay, so I think we are doing good. I'm going to change the blend mode to multiply like that. Okay, so just clean some parts a little bit, and I'm going to like I said, I'm going to bring it down. I want the ball to be on the line so that it will give some vibe, you know. So yeah, we are doing good. Okay, please make sure you like the video if you found it helpful. Like it, subscribe, it really helped me. Okay, so let's bring this this smoke. Okay, and I'm going to hold Alt or Option and drag to copy it, and I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to hold Alt again and just click between the two layers and it will climax it. I just want you to put this in your mind that holding Alt or Option and dragging will copy, and putting your mouse in between the two layers and holding Alt or Option will climax the top layer to the down layer. All right, so I just want you to put that in your mind. Now we've maxed the smoke layer, and now we are just cleaning some parts that we don't want it there. Okay, so layer mask is non-destructive. You can copy, you can paint black to remove, and you can paint white to bring any effect you want to bring in your work. Okay, so that is how it works. So we can even change it to white and add some smoke. You see it is adding. All right, good. And we can change it to black and to remove if we don't want. All right, okay, so we are doing fine, we are doing good, and it's now to add text. Okay, so I'm using my favorite font called Basement, right? And I'm going to change the color, picking the yellow color from the swatch. This is the hex code, so make sure you copy that. Okay, so I'm coming to change the tracking. The tracking is too much, you don't need any track. Set it to 0 and just write. Okay, double click and write the name. Okay, what do you think the name is? Yeah, Lamine Yamal. Yeah, that's the name. I just taught you my tree dialogue, my tree dialogue. I said yeah. Anyways, let's duplicate it and just write Yamal. Okay, so I don't want to shake it. Let's try to adjust things here. Okay, and I think we are doing good. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, subscribe and hit the like button if you are learning something. All right, I make videos like this, so I'm going to do a lot of things here, so please be part of the community and subscribe. Now let's bring some iconography. Okay, some icons here. Let's bring this badge, right? Reduce it to this size. Now you can hold control and drag. Okay, in doing that you don't need to select the you don't have to put your mouse on the icon. Okay, you can just move it, right? Good. Now we are going to add some effects. Okay, color overlay to this Spotify logo, and yeah, to make it white. We can't use the green, it wouldn't match, so you just change the color. That is color overlay effect, and you're going to reduce it like this and just put it right here. Okay, I'm just using my arrow key to make sure that things are okay. Sometimes your eye must work, you understand? So let's add some text. I'm going to select Montserrat. Everybody knows Montserrat. Okay, so I'm going to make it white like that, and I'm going to write something that I think Madrid fans will hate. Anyways, that's my opinion. I just like him playing. I'm not a Barcelona fan, but I just like him. Alright, so what I wrote was the best young player. I don't know, you can argue. Okay, what do you think? So that's what I think, that's what I wrote. So this is just a little text we are using. Now make sure you hold shift, okay, when you are rotating, so that you can get a fixed angle, you don't get random angle. All right, so increase the tracking of it. Okay, so this is a tracking, just the space between the letters. So once I've increased, you see that there are lots of space between the letters now. All right, good. So I'll select and adjust it a little bit like that, and I think we are doing really good. Right, so just adjust a little bit and hold the control and just adjust it. You see my mouse is far away from the object, but I can still move it because I'm holding control. It turn off the auto select. That's it, right? Yeah, sometimes the small items or icons, it's very difficult to drag. Okay, so just use that and you are good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the video. Please, we make videos like this, and if it's something that you like, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share. There are more tutorials to come. Thank you. See you in the next video.